Do you have a favorite DIY tool?
Ooh. Okay.
Wait, I had a really good thought. What was my thought?
My favorite craft tool is a new sharp Fiskars cutting blade.
Ooh, yes. And mine is like a fully loaded glue gun. I love glue guns.
Oh, my favorite DIY tool is definitely a drill. I use one every single week. I'm constantly changing art in my space. And there's just something about holding it, you know, you feel powerful.
I hate that I have to pick, but my favorite DIY tool is definitely the miter saw. I love having my art up on the wall in frames that are all identical so that you can get a really nice and uniform look, and a miter saw is an easy way to do that. But they're also great for building shelves and tables and pretty much anything that you want to DIY.
So I would say my favorite DIY tool is a little 3-in-1 combo. It is for patching holes, and like I said, I'm a huge art collector. I'm always rearranging pieces, and there's always a nail hole that needs a little love-in. It's the best thing.
I love all of my kitchen tools. I try to make sure that they're all vintage because I find that vintage things hold up a lot longer.
I wouldn't say that I'm much of a DIYer. I'm not very handy, but I really like being able to use art in interesting ways. My bedroom has this fireplace, and I went in one day with this idea to paint some more poppy flowers on there. I just wanted to bring joy into my daughter's room.
I think paint is the most powerful tool in design, especially if you're incorporating fun things like murals. Like, our office space was nothing but a blank box, and then we added this bright, colorful mural that's the first thing you see when you walk in. And just like that, the room went from really boring to really beautiful.
I mean, favorite or most used, maybe not the same, but most used one is just a plain old circular saw.
I think for most of our DIY projects, the biggest thing is that there's no rules. He kind of just throws things together the way that he wants to, and we end up loving it. So I think for us, it's really just about what we're feeling in the moment and letting go of any sort of rules and regulations and just making what we think is cool.